Hey y'all, thanks for coming to check out this video. Today is a SHEIN sexy haul. This is a collection from SHEIN that is super cute, and I actually have a bunch of pieces from this collection, so let's jump right into it. This green dress is so cute. It's a really pretty sage green. It has buttons all the way down. It has a nice loose and tight fit at the same time. Like, it shows your figure, but it's super comfortable. I love this dress. I think I'm going to double back and get it in a couple other colors. I'll leave links down below and sizes to everything that I got, as well as the search codes, and I'll put them in order of the outfits that you see here in the description box down below. So this is a cute little party outfit. I felt like this would be great for New Year's Eve, going out dancing, or just doing something fun with your girlfriends. I think this outfit is giving me like Selena vibes, and I absolutely love it. And the color is so nice. It's like this copper brown orange, and I feel like it'll just catch the light amazing on New Year's. So yeah, I love it. I got it in a medium. I wish I had gotten it in a small, to be honest, because I think the top was a little loose. This is a really cute set. It's a sweater duster and a sweater dress. The length on it is perfect and the fit is amazing. It fits so well. This material just like hugged all of my curves. I absolutely love how the dress fit, and then I love that it has the duster on top to kind of like mellow it out, because it can be very sexy when like it's really fitting your curves, but then you have the little duster to kind of tone it down a little bit. This dress and duster is so comfortable. I highly recommend this outfit. This sweater caught my eye immediately. It comes in a cobalt blue as well, but I feel like the black is just perfect. I absolutely love this sweater. I wish it was a little bit longer though. As you can see, my bra is kind of like poking out at the bottom. So either you can wear it kind of like off the shoulder, or maybe just size up. I would say size up on this one, just to give you a little more length at the crop top area. This dress is super pretty. I was going to get it in brown because that's the shade that I've been eyeing for a long time. But I say, you know what? Let me branch out. I always buy things in brown. Brown is one of my favorite colors and my most purchased color for my clothing. So I was like, let's try a jewel tone. And this emerald green, I am loving it, you guys. It's so beautiful. These jeans are also a part of this haul, and these fit perfectly, like literally to perfection. I love the slits at the bottom and the way that they fit. These jeans are awesome. Highly recommend those as well. This green dress, I feel like I've had another dress like this before from a different brand, but I've never seen it in this color, and I absolutely adore this dress. The one shoulder is giving you like peekaboo sexy, but then it's also giving you very mature vibes as well. It has the wraparound for your waist to cinch your waist in and give you that great shape, and the ruching is perfect. It hides any of those lumps and bumps and just makes you look really pretty. Love that dress. This dress is also really cute. It's fun. It's definitely a go out dress, or maybe a date night dress with a nice like leather jacket. I would wear this with over the knee boots, or even with just like my pumps. I love this dress. The print is so pretty. It's a little thin. It's not going to keep you super warm. It's not lined or anything, but I really like it, and it looks great on, it has a great shape to it. Everyone always needs a white turtleneck. I'm like, it's just a must for the season. Just a nice fitted turtleneck, and this one is amazing. I love how it fits. It's so soft, and these jeans are fire as well. Of course, they have the slits in them, so you want to be careful with that because you can get a little chilly. Maybe wear tights underneath them or some over the knee boots to just make sure you're warm enough. I paired it with this hot bubblegum pink teddy coat. Love this coat. So adorable. It gives a pop to just a simple white top and jeans look, but now it's like super elevated with this really pretty and pop of color jacket. This jacket is warm, y'all, and it has pockets, and it has a button. I love it. Highly recommend this one as well. Another sweater with fringe. I don't know, I was going like fringe crazy, but I love this cable knit with the fringe. I've never seen these combined together before, and I just love it. I love the way the jeans fit and that they're long enough, which is hard for me because I'm 5'7.5", and sometimes I cannot find jeans long enough. So I love that these were long enough. I'm just loving this look, you guys. I popped on that coat. I'm like loving it. So if you guys like the video, definitely give me a follow, and yeah, share this video with a friend, share this video with a clothing haul lover, share this video with your mama. Peace.